Are you still not finding a way to have an edge over the Forex market? Many traders lack this. And to be a successful trader in the Forex market, you need to find an edge over the market. And this is one thing traders cannot find, especially in their beginning of their trading career. It took me a long time to do it. And I'm going to show you guys here today our gold scanner. If you like trading gold, we found something to take advantage of the gold market, especially if you know the Forex basic. There's things that we focus on in the Forex market, guys. We don't focus on a lot of super advanced stuff. We focus on the basics, but we just get good at the basics. It's kind of like a video game. When you play a video game, you start at level 1, but then you level up your character, right? You level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. So candlestick, for instance, we practice candlestick, support and resistance, break and retest, market timing. One of my favorite things is market timing. This is something that I teach my students a lot about every week and every day in the market. And we also focus on what session we're trading on, like the New York session or the London session. Really simple things, but we just keep doing it over and over again. We're very consistent on it till we just get good at it. What is the gold scanner? I want to talk a little bit about it here in this video because this is an artificial intelligence scanner that we created. People say in this day and age, artificial intelligence is taking over. I think people who know how to use technology are the ones that are truly taking over. To get access to the scanner, you need to be a member inside of our academy. This is the scanner. We're logged in right now. You can actually change the color to it from light to dark. I personally like the dark feature. It looks a bit cooler. Up here we have our alert panel. I'm gonna get into what this does, what it does for us, because it gives us the upper hand. This is a tool. There's a benefit from understanding how to use this, especially if you trade gold. A lot of people trade gold nowadays because we understand gold has a really big market cap. It moves a lot. So there's a lot of consistent moves to catch on gold. You can really take advantage of the gold scanner if you know the Forex basics. That's all you need to understand is the Forex basic, because gold is in the Forex market. So it's very similar to like a Euro USD, a GBP USD, an AUD USD. Maybe it's not exactly the same. Gold has its own personalities and its behaviors. It's little characteristics that we focus on, and I teach my students every single day inside our online academy. So these are the Forex basics that you really want to understand, maybe a little bit more. Why do you want to understand these things? Because the gold scanner understands these things. So we look at the market. Every day I go and I analyze the market and I look for my setup. The gold scanner does more of what I do. The gold scanner is able to do more of what we do. So it's able to find more setups, more than we can, because it does more of what we already do and what we already know, which is just the Forex basic. How does it work? What it does is it scans the market for us day by day, a few times a day. And we like to scalp and do short-term trading, not long trades, right? Anywhere from 30 minutes to maybe like a 2-hour trade maximum. When you're scalping gold, because it moves a lot, you don't need to be in it for a long period of time to get good movement out of it. That's something that we teach every day in the academy, guys. It scans the market for us, usually during the London session, the New York session, and the Sydney Tokyo session. So that's why you want to know your Forex market basic. It scans the market for us and looks for potential trade ideas. Potential trade ideas. Our strategy is called Golden Zone. There's a lot of things this thing takes into consideration. I'm not gonna say everything on this video because we have some secret sauce that this scanner focuses on. And not a lot of people know, but if you know your Forex basics, you can utilize it. It prints us a Golden Zone. How does this Golden Zone work? It works off of something called break and retest, which a lot of you guys know. These trade ideas, as you can see in front of us here on the screen, we actually have a trade idea from 1 day ago. It's actually looking for a bullish move, a potential buy on gold. We can see the zone of action, which is our entry zone. So the market broke our zone, and that check mark indicates there's a possible setup. You might be able to see the check mark on the screen. Let me circle it here for you. There's a check mark right there. That indicates a possible setup on gold once the check marks appeared. Now we're looking for a retest of our golden zone, and a possible entry point is provided. I'm gonna zoom in here so you guys can see. We have the zone of action, which is our possible entry zone. We have invalidation, which is the stop loss level, and we have possible exit points, which are our targets, like a take profit point. So all this stuff is printed on the chart for us, so we don't have to do this. Stuff we're already used to doing, we don't have to do. So it looks like a good setup here on gold. It's actually looking for a nice bullish move on gold. I can do my own analysis on this. The great thing, because I know the Forex basics, I can say, okay, what's it looking for? It's looking for a bullish move. Do I agree? Do I disagree with it? Because I know the Forex basics, I can say, I like this. I actually do like this setup. This looks like a good setup because there is support here in the market. And I can see maybe the market's starting to create more of an uptrend here. So it looks like it's trying to look for that next move up on gold. It's scanning for a possible bullish move on gold. It gives us our zone of action, exit point, 2 exit points. So 2 potential exit points that we can look to hold our trade to. Guys, this is just a brief video on how the gold scanner works, what the gold scanner is. There's a lot more to this, but it's simple stuff that we focus on. If you guys want more information on this video, if this video gets enough likes, I can make a part 2 on this, more in depth. DM me, guys, if you want more information on how you can have access to this scanner, and I'll be sure to show you. Check out the testimonials that this scanner is creating. There's loads of testimonials that this scanner is creating day by day. Every single day people are having results with this scanner. So hit me up, guys, if you want more info.